It's true when they say that Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. The colors, the warmth, the music, the food, the family, the get together. Today's creation video is done by using the pearl cell technique and then the chain pull technique to create those beautiful red flowers. Check out today's video, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, this is your girl Camille. Welcome back to another Christmas in July. Super excited working here with 25 artists across the globe. And you know, it's the most wonderful time of the year, Christmas, right? And we're celebrating it in July as well. Super excited, guys. This canvas size that I'm using is 16 by 20 and I'm using shades of blues with some white to create this beautiful pearl cell. And you know what, guys, it gives me this beautiful wintry feeling and I love the colors. So beautiful. And if you do stick around all the way to the end, you will see me while this painting is still wet. I did not wait until it was dry to use the chain pull to create the beautiful flowers and the leaves on the same canvas. Guys, I'm telling you, check it out. You're gonna love this one. I was so amazed. I thought I had to wait till it was dry and then, you know, come up with some kind of idea to create beautiful flowers, because red was one of the main colors. We should use red. That's one of the requirement that we were asked to use red in today's collaboration. So amazing, guys. And I have to mention that I'm listing all the participant names that's taking part in this crossover event in my description box below. Today is the last day. Monday the 25th here is the last day, but this crossover event started on Saturday the 23rd and continued on Sunday the 24th. Beautiful artists, guys, 25 amazing artists, and we are doing, you know, paintings in different medias. So I want you to go ahead and check them out. You won't be disappointed. That beautiful blue that you're looking at was a custom mix with some white and some grays and not gray, sorry, some white, black and blue, creating that deep blue gray. Amazing, guys, I'm telling you. And that's Artist Loft. All Artist Loft is flow acrylic colors that I used to create this custom mix paint. Here I am just getting ready to torch. Torch helps to create those beautiful cells. You know, it helps to pop these cells through that beautiful gray. And, you know, it also helps to pop all these air bubbles that you may have when you mix your paint. It's very important to torch, guys. So if you do decide to give this technique a try, remember to have your torch handy so you can go ahead and, you know, torch to bring out these beautiful colors. Also, guys, how you mix your paint is very important for this technique. You know, don't mix your paint too thick. And of course, your pour over paint should be mixed a bit thinner. All right, so check my description box as well for my consistency in my paint. And if you do decide to give it a try, guys, you know, use whatever ingredients you have and keep me posted. Of course, you know what, you don't have to mix your paint. You can always use ready mix pouring paint to create beautiful cells. You do not need silicone oils in this as well to create beautiful cells. All right, I want to give a shout out to Donna, beautiful lady. She's the one who organized this collaboration and it's a lot of work. I know that, Donna. Thank you so much for bringing us all together once more. You're amazing and we really do love you and we appreciate you. Thank you so much, Donna. Love you. So for the second stage of my painting, remember I mentioned, guys, that my canvas is still wet with the parasols here. I wanted to get some golds and some reds here to create this beautiful, abstract red flower. Actually, I was going for poinsettia, but you know what? It turns out to be something different, and I still love it. But I just dipped my chain in some red paints. As you can see, I have it on my plate there, and I cover the chains with the red and the gold, and went on my canvas, the white canvas here, with the parasols, and just create some chain pulls. So the chain has the paints on it. I put it on the canvas, and I'm pulling that chain on the canvas, creating a beautiful design. Love it, guys. I do hope you love this one. And it was a bit of a work, but it was fun. And guys, just challenge yourself and just create something beautiful and magnificent. I'm pretty sure you will love it. Don't limit yourself. Think of your ideas. Go ahead and try. Okay, I love this one, and I'm really happy to share it with you. And yeah, it's my beautiful Christmas in July. So warm here with these red colors and the gold. Amazing. I do hope you guys love it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, like and share with your friends and family. And of course, if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, hit all, so you're notified each time I post a new video. And of course, don't forget to check out the contents of each and every participant in today's collaboration. And if you have missed anyone that has gone on before me, go ahead and check it out in my description box below. All right, we really do appreciate you guys, and I mean, it's just a small thing that you can do for us YouTubers. Watch our videos, share with your friends and family. It helps us to grow here on YouTube. Really do appreciate you guys, and I want to say thank you so much.